So we're doing a speed test on the original firmware that came with the gateway, which is 4.0.20. And as you can see, it's a pretty reasonable speed that I'm getting. And quick check in the uploads. And just make a note of that. And we will just do a second test after this as well, just to make sure that we're getting similar figures. So again, I'm running the speed test, again, just to verify the sort of speeds I'm getting. And as you can see, in the same sort of levels again, so 810 megabits per second, and the upload, we'll see that go in a little second. And again, that's quite healthy. So this is as with the latest firmware 4.1.13, and I think you'll see straight away what the problem is, that as soon as you upgrade it to that, I certainly lose just a little bit of my speed, and 20 megabits per second, and the upload speed again, it's pretty poor. Now, I've run numerous tests with this particular firmware, and this is the speed you get. You're literally capped at 20 megabits per second. So rather than using the 4.0.20 firmware, I went for the upgrade after that one, which you can see, which is 4.1.10. And the speed on this particular firmware is even better than the original firmware. So, sorry UniFi, your new version of that firmware with Plusnet isn't working.